everyone, welcome to our living room. This is Miss Hu from Zhengzhou Shenlong Pump Industry Company Limited. We are a pump manufacturer in China. Today we have two uncles, and one is Linda. Hello, this is Linda. She will introduce our pump production line, and the other is Jessie.
Hello everyone, this is Jessie.
She will introduce our pump types and our photograph. Mr. Huang.
Hello.
And okay, then please following with Linda. I hope all enjoy your trip today.
Hello, this is Lisa from Zhengzhou Shenlong Pump Industry Company. And our company is 96 here, and we have 25 experience in the water pump manufacture. Our main products are submersible water pumps, surface water pumps,
All enjoy your trip today.
all kinds of pumps. We have areas. One is the south area, another is north area. For this area, the main workshop are model casting and stainless steel finishing. Okay, now let now please follow me to visit our factory. Let's go. First, I will introduce our model workshop for you. The model is displayed a model. Please go. 让你去哪走？ Okay, that workshop is for finishing. I will show you later. And now we will go to our model workshop. Okay, now we are at the door of our model warehouse. You can see these models are mainly for impeller. You can see the model is very small. The spare parts making for these models is very, very small. It can avoid the vibration during operation. Okay, these also for impellers, and here are our models spare parts. You can see models. We have all kinds of models, and so that if you need the production soon, we can um, produce the pump spare parts very soon in short time. Okay, now let's go to next workshop. As you know, for submersible deep well pumps, most of my customers prefer the stainless steel material. Now I will show you our stainless steel material model. Our workshop is a little large, so a little far to walk from here to there. Okay, now we are at the door of our stainless steel model workshop. Okay, welcome. Here is the models for stainless steel material. You can see the surface of these models is very, very small. And for this model making, there is high requirements on the temperature. So you can see there is air conditioner in this workshop as well. And the temperature must keep the same all the time. It's around 20 centigrade. Our workers are working on making the models. Okay. Now these models are waiting for casting. There is a small sand on the surface of the models. During the casting, the sand can protect the models well. Okay, we have seen the stainless steel models now. Let's go to see the products which made of these models. Okay, in this workshop you can see the casting process. All the models are in these and later they will go to this workshop to become spare parts. These are another models named sand models. You can see these models mainly for sewage water pumps spare parts. These are our models spare parts workshop. Okay. Okay. This workshop is for raw material inspection. Each comes to our factory to do that. After that, uh, making Okay, now let's go to the stainless steel finishing workshop. Okay, okay, wait a moment. Let's change another way. Okay. Okay. After visit the spend model, the models for stainless steel material and the distilled model. Now we will go to see let's go to see the spare part finishing workshop. This workshop is mainly for finishing. Okay, please follow me. Let me show for you. Hello, this is rotor stators for motor stators, and this is the CNC cutting machine for the stainless steel material. You can see the machine is working now. The spare part managed by this machine has high accuracy, and it can be assembled with the structure and the cutting wheel. So to avoid the vibration during operation and can elong the using life of the parts. You can see this impeller has after finishing, you can see the surface is very smooth, very shiny, and this is the one just come from out the um, casting. You can see the surface is not very smooth, not very shiny. After you can see the difference before finishing and after finishing. Now we will go to our another factory at the other side of the road. We need to cross this road to arrive at another factory area. Cross the road, we need to take care because too many cars go through from this road. Here is our spare parts. Before finishing, we'll stock at here. You can see we have sufficient stock. Here is our engineer and research center. We have our engineers have more than 5 to 10 years experience in the water pumps. If you have any special requirements or need customized, you can contact with us or we will serve you better. Here is our pumps ready for delivery. I will show you later. And this is our model workshop, usually especially for customized and model making. This workshop is mainly for submersible water pumps. I will show you later as well. This is a workshop, also a finishing workshop for surface kind of water pumps. And this workshop is mainly for accessories, like screw and bolts and power cables. This workshop is for special for submersible water pumps. Here is our spare parts workshop warehouse. Okay, I'm on the way to our multi-stator punching workshop. Please follow me. Here, ceiling. Okay, the workers are changing the silicon now, and the machine will start work. 是这让你那个机器就开始动了，it can start automatically. I want to show you this process. So wait a moment. Okay, we can see the stator first. All the stators are making by that machine. You can see the stator surface. The stator surface is very, very smooth, and the power, the motor power with the same motor power, the heat is also the same, and the stator making by this machine can improve its efficiency. Okay. Okay. So here. Oh, this is the rotor part of the motor. You can see later this machine will assemble the stator and the rotor together. Bearings are also stator as well. You can see each stator is very smooth, and the heat also the same. They are with the same power. 他一直在机器没工作呀。就工作完之后，你说这个我们有什么？We have these machines on. Okay, you can see all this workshop are for the motor stator making. We have machines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are for stator making. Okay, the workers are adjust the machine to make it can working well. 了是吗？OK。Let's go to another. Let's go to. Okay, the workers are still adjust the machine. Maybe it will take a long time, so we will go to next workshop. Okay, next we will go to the CNC machine factory. Okay. Here you can see the machine is working automatically. Control. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 machines working like this. The machine, all the machines can work automatically. Only one worker to operate. Only need one worker to operate this machine. In this production way, can save the cost. Also, it have high accuracy. Has high accuracy. The spare parts finished by this machine has a higher accuracy. It can invoice vibration during working. It is necessary to have these machines to be a qualified manufacturer in the future. You can see these spare parts are before finishing the surface is not very smooth and all the sides are not very well. This one, you can see this one is after finishing. The surface is smooth and all the specifications are exactly meet the technical design. All the machines are for the impeller publication finishing. Okay. Okay. Our workers are do the impellers that make balance. Impellers that make balance. Okay, let's go to next workshop. This workshop will also for their part finishing and this workshop mainly for vortex rotor. These are stators. These are rotors. 这些是没有经过加工的。Here, here is the raw material before finishing. Here is after finishing. You can see the finishing size are strictly according our design or technical design. This machine is for this machine is for the rotor balance. The rotor balance in the production is very important. If the balance, if we don't do the balance during the working, the part will vibration further. Okay. Now let's go to another workshop. Our workers are busy. Now we will go to our spare parts warehouse to show our spare parts. In order to deliver all the products in very short time, we have sufficient spare parts in our warehouse. I will show you. Okay, here is our spare parts warehouse. There are two stairs. Here are the impellers, the water pump suction parts, the pump shaft, the pump is stay together. Here we have large power motor. This is a 5 kilowatts. There is 1,100 kilowatts. Most of pumps the goods. In three work can see here. Part is very important as it's high compared because of part is very with copper, aluminum. These are all 3 kilowatts. You can see we have a very sufficient spare parts in the house. Usually for the pump 220 watts, we can finish the pump 3 working days. Okay, now let's go to the submersible water pumps. Oh, here is the workshop for submersible water pumps, sewage water pumps. Here is a auto coupling, usually also can call the duck foot, mainly for installation the sewage pump in the tanks in the sump pit. The pumps installed with this coupling can work in stable. This pump is 45 kilowatts with flow rate 4 cubic meter per hour. It had Okay. There is our sewage pump or water pump testing center. Each pump will be tested before delivery on that testing center. Okay, next we'll go to the deep well water pumps manufacturer factory. Okay, this workshop mainly for surface kind of water pumps. These pumps are with high flow rate. The max can reach to 10,000 cubic meter per hour. This is the machine for the impeller dynamic balance for surface kind of water pumps. For submersible pumps, the impeller needs to do the dynamic balance, and for surface kind of pump, the impeller needs to do the dynamic balance. Here are the impel. Here is the stainless steel 316 material, special for seawater. We customized for our customer from Iceland. The flow rate of this pump can reach to 2,000 cubic meter per hour. These are the surface kind of water pumps, split casing pump. This workshop is especially for special order. You can see this is for sewage water pump with long shaft. And this pump with extra big flow rate, more than 10,000 cubic meter per hour. And these are split casing pump. So if you have any special requirements on the pumps, you can contact with us. We can customize it for you. Okay. Now let's go to another workshop. Okay. You can see this machine is purchased in 2018, special for protect the environment. In this situation, we can start our production smoothly. Here we are at the submersible water pump workshop. Here is for mortar and the sapling workers have rest today, so we can see the workers at this part. You can see this is the mortar winding. Mortar winding, not finished, but you can see there is PE and PA coating on the winding. Okay. These pumps are for fountain. Our workers are working on it. 这泵是不是都做那种 QS 的喷泉泵是吧？这个是给电机注水做测试的吗？还是干嘛？The workers are do the testing work on the motors. You can see they are filling the water. They're filling the water to the motor casing to test the winding. As you know, the windings must be fulfilled with water during operation. So our worker needs to do the fill. Our worker are filling water to the motor to confirm there is no leak. Okay, now we are at the motor winding workshop. Our workers are making the winding. They are working carefully to guarantee that each phase is balanced. This machine is special for the motor testing. As you know, our motor must be tested before delivery, and the most stage is to testing the voltage pressure. Our voltage is input is 2000 watts. In this situation, if the motor won't be broke down, that means the motor is it's okay. These are connecting of the motor windings connection. After this process, all the motors will go to that for waterproof testing more than 48 hours. All the motors are deep into this tank to do the waterproof testing. The motors need to keep in these tanks at least 48 hours. Okay, all the testing results show the motor is okay. Our workers will install the suction part. Then all the motors will do that part to assemble the pump part. Okay. Okay, now let's go to our pump testing center. Here is our submerged water pump testing center. Each pump must be tested before delivery to guarantee the flow rate is okay, the head is okay, and the pump in the water no vibration as well. After that, the pump can be delivered. This is the testing machine. Okay, our workers are working at that place. They are do the last process of the pump. After if the testing result is good, the pump will go here and the workers will will make nick plate on it, then some marks on it, and then assemble the pump head and the motor together, ready for delivery. These two pumps are for seawater as well. They are 75 kilowatts with flow rate 300 meter per hour at head 60 meters. You can see this cable goes through from the motor directly. There is no joints of the whole power cable. Okay. Now we are on the way to our warehouse for ready products. They are ready for go to serve our customers all over the world. Oh, the workers are working on delivery the goods. In the first floor, there are two floors at this part. The first floor mainly for submersible deep well water pumps, and the second floor mainly for sewage water pumps. So most of the pumps we have stock. Here is the packages. Our package we made with poly wood casing, at least five five medium thickness. All the pumps packed in this package. It's not easy to be broken during transportation, during delivery. The goods can arrive at your hand very safely. Okay. This workshop is a very important workshop of our factory. Uh, it's mainly for the models for the desired models. We have machines can customize the different size of pumps. Also, it is CNC machine. The the machine is working automatically. just because we have such amazing machine, so we can customize the different products for our custom. Okay. This is our whole production workshop of all the pumps, submersible water pumps, sewage water pumps, surface kind of water pumps, especially customized, different size, all kinds of pumps. If you have any special requirements, you can contact with us. We can do for you. Next, we will go to our exhibition hall. My colleague Jessie will introduce more details of our products. You can know more. Okay, Jessie is waiting. Hello. Hello, Jessie. Hello.
This is Jessie from APK Zhengzhou Shenlong Pump Industry Limited Company. Now I will continue to introduce you our production.
Follow me. First of all, I will introduce our main products, including submersible submersible deep well pumps and submersible switch pumps. And first of all, I will introduce our submersible fountain pumps for you. You will see these pumps, all of these pumps. Here, as my experience, I will special introduce our 304 stainless steel fountain pumps for you. You know, in the past 3 years. Sorry, please wait a moment. 没了，这里没了。没有声音啊。啊？啥？哦，Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back. And if you want to choose a suitable fountain pump, we will suggest that you use 304 materials like this. Or actually, in the past 3 years, we have been provided over 100 fountain pumps to a Saudi Arabia customer, and all the pumps are still working very well for now. Also, if you know, we can choose the best model of the pumps for you according to your nozzle size. Also, we can customize the discharge diameter for you in order to match with your nozzle. Okay. Now next, I will introduce our deep well submersible pumps for you. These all of our deep well pumps, both cast arrows, these are cast arrows, and stainless steel materials. You will see the details. Or if you ordered 304 stainless steel materials, all of our screws use A2, right? Can you see it's A2? It means 304 stainless steel material. And if you order 316 stainless steel material pumps, we will choose A4 materials screws for you. All of our deep well pumps, from big deep well from small deep to big deep, all can find your suitable model from 7-inch to max the 24-inch. Also, you can choose you can choose duplex stainless steel materials if you need the submersible pumps for seawater use. In my experience, we have been provide over 20 pieces to one Iceland customer. He has a seafood factory in Iceland, and he chose our submersible pumps for his seawater. We make customers for it. We choose 316 materials submersible pumps for him. Also, we choose duplex stainless steel shaft for him. In that, the pumps can work more than 3 years. Okay. Now, let us introduce you our big flow submersible pumps. All of these, you will see, all of these with big channel are our submersible pumps with big flow. All of the flow can reach over 100. You can see the details, the channel, also the discharge diameter are very big. All right. Now we have almost finished the submersible pumps for deep well, but all of the deep well almost are for clean water. If you need dirty water submersible pumps, what should you choose? Now I will introduce our submersible switch pumps like this. You will see this submersible switch pumps with very big channel, right? So it can pass the dirty water, such as if the water have much impurity, it can pass from this big channel easily. But you will see all of our this switch pump is one stage pump. One stage pump means the pump hand is not very big. So if you need to drain the dirty water from a very high hand, such as over 60 hand, what kind of pump should you choose? Now we will introduce you another switch pump. These ones are multi-stage pumps. Also, it's still for dirty water. Actually, in this model, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 many stages in this model, so that the hand can reach very high. By the way, if the dirty water is corrosion, what should you choose? Now, please see here. I will introduce the stainless steel material sewage pumps for you. Can you see it? The whole pump are made in cast iron materials in order to use for some rainwater or some dirty water corrosion. By the way, if the wastewater have some long fiber, right? How should you choose pump? Now I will introduce this kind of pumps. It's cut submersible sewage pumps. In the bottle, there is a cutter in the bottle, but maybe you can't see from here. If you use this kind of pump, the cutter can cut off the big impurity to small impurity in order to drain the dirty water much easier.
Jessie,
Yeah.
okay, may I have a question?
Yes, please.
Okay, if we want the switch pumps
Yeah.
using the toilet.
Yes.
Okay, the toilet to get to the tissues,
Mm-hmm.
sanitary,
Yeah.
and which pumps should we choosing?
Actually, I introduced this kind of pumps. Just as I mentioned, there is a cutter in, like a knife cutter in this bottle. So when you join the water, it can cut the big impurity to small impurity. So when you join the water, the impurity can go into the channel much easier.
But the cutter is not enough thing.
Mm-hmm.
They just can spray the toilet paper away, but can't cut it slightly. How can I help? Do you have it's like a scissors? They just twist it together. That one. I see from another manufacturer. Do you have that one? I know your manufacturer is a really good brand and over 30 years.
Yeah.
And a really famous brand in local and overseas as well. So
actually, if that
can you do
way,
that special for me?
yes, we can do the special from the material such as A05 material. Also, we will choose another impeller. Almost the submersible pumps impeller are closed. We can choose an open impeller. Open size impeller. In that, the dirty water can go out easily.
What's the biggest kilowatts can you do?
The biggest kilowatts for switch pump we can do about a cut one.
Yeah.
A cut one we can reach 85 kilowatts.
85 kilowatts.
75 kilowatts.
Do you have the impeller to show us?
Yes. Please follow me here. You will see there are two kinds of impellers. This one is for stainless steel deep well. Stainless steel materials. It's for deep well clean water submersible pump. Because the channel is there are many channels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 channel. Also, you can see this kind of impeller. This also stainless steel. This is also stainless steel impeller, but it only have 2 channel, right? 1, 2, just 2 channel. This impeller is for switch pumps because within this 2 big channel, it can join the water, the dirty water, much easier.
Jessie, what material do you have?
For the impeller, we both have cast aero material, 304 material, 316 material, 316L material. Also, if you need, we can make steel legs. Then is steel materials for you. Now, I think if the water is not very corrosion, I suggest you use cast aero materials is enough. But if the water is corrosion, we may suggest you use at least use 304 materials. By the way, I will introduce to you some winding of our pumps for you. You can come to see the details. Can you see this winding? This winding is 100% copper and PE cover. Can you see the PE PE cover in the surface? This winding is for our submersible deep well pumps because you know our submersible deep well motor are water-filled tap. When you use our submersible deep well pumps, you should fill clean water in the motor in order to make the motor coding easily. So we need to make the PE cover to protect the winding. Also, you can see the other kind of winding. This winding is just a normal cover winding, copper winding. Very soft. Can you see it's very soft? Just the 100% copper winding. This winding is for our sweet pumps because our sweet pumps have stable mechanical sealing. So we can use this winding because the water cannot go inside the motor. The motor will be protected by the mechanical sealing, and it will work. And so that the motor can work more long times. Yes.
If we are using the pumps in the mining,
Mhm.
but we have the height meter very high,
Mhm.
about 100, but we want to submersible installation.
Mhm.
Which switch pump should we choosing?
Sweet pump.
Yeah, I see in your showroom over there got the multi-stage switch pump.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we go there. Can you sign it for us?
Okay. Come here, please. You will see this green one. These pumps are switch pumps, but with very high hand. You know, actually in the motor there are many stages. 1, 2, 3, 4, all, and according to your requirements, we can make almost 500 meters. And the third, and the discharge diameter is from up of the is in the up of the motor. Yes, you can see this. Come on, see this. The discharge diameter, the discharge outlet is in the up, right? And
So
from,
this one is under section and up
yes,
outlet,
yes,
right?
under section and up discharge.
And what's the inside? Is oil or water?
This we can make both oil and water
Okay.
according to your
And
requirement.
which one is better?
I think oil is better because if you want to use these pumps in very cold weather, right? In very cold weather, and you can choose oil cooling because the oil could not be, could not be frozen in the cold water, in the cold weather.
How can you protect the motor? But if the water cooling is better, I think. But if oil in the hot weather, they just
oil, but actually, if you in the hot weather, I think water cooling is enough because all of the switch pumps are sealed by mechanical seal, but the mechanical seal is the best part of submersible switch pumps. So, but we suggest you choose we suggest that you choose the mechanical seal in half year because when the pump working it will have some damage about the mechanical seal. So but if the mechanical if the mechanical seal damages and you use the oil cooling motor, the oil maybe make your water not very clean. So if your weather is not very cold, you can choose. Yeah, yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Also, just we just mentioned about the mechanical seal of our submersible switch pumps. So let me show you our mechanical seal. Each of our submersible switch pump have two mechanical seal. Can you see it? It will protect the motor. It will protect the motor in order to stop the water go into the motor. Okay, now if you have any question, you can tap in the screen.
Hello, Josie.
Yeah.
If I want to send the inquiry to you, how can I find you?
Actually, if you want to find us, you can search Zhengzhou Shenlong Pump Industry Code Company Limited in Alibaba.com. Again, you can search Zhengzhou Shenlong Pump in Alibaba.com. Google, you can Google our website directly. Our website is www.dragonpump.com. Dragon, dragon, DRAGON pump, PUMP.com in Google.
Okay, if you want to give me a quote, what information should I provide for you?
If you want to choose a submersible deep well pumps, first you should confirm the well diameter. You know, if you want to join big flow from a small well, it's not possible. So just give us the first give us the well diameter, then you can give us the flow and the hand of the pump you need. Also, at least you can also provide me the local power supply, such as the voltage, the the frequency, and so on. Yes, of course. You know, in China, we always use 380 voltage and 50 hertz. But I know overseas country, there are many overseas countries you have 460 watts and 60 frequency. So if you need any customized requirements, you can also tell us. Yes, you're welcome.
Jessie, if the big trader company
Mhm.
here are selling a lot of submersible pumps, what's the suggest do you give me?
Actually, if you are interested in our submersible deep well pumps, you can come to visit our factory first. We are always welcomed for you. And I think we can start with a simple order. If you are interested in our company and interested in our product, you can try some one or two samples first, and after we have built up some relationship, also some you trust us, and also we trust you. We become a best partner, and I think we can send you our catalog, our best price, and you can also be our distributor.
What's about your quantity per month?
The quality what?
Quantities.
Quantity, your certificate.
月的生产量。
Oh, actually, maybe you have seen our workshop with Linda. All of our, all of our. Oh, 行. we can production the our main line, our main product are submersible deep well pumps and submersible switch pumps. If you want to if you want to order our main product, we can finish your order with the normal order. We can finish within seven days. And if you and and we can also finish your big order. Our production quality is three 3,000 8,000 per month, 8,000 pieces per month. Okay, now um okay, now we almost finished our living room. So if you have any other question, feel free to ask me. Live show, our live show. Okay, coming 19th.
Hello.
Hello.
Again, this is Linda.
This is Miss Hu. I'm here again.
Nice to see you again.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
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 Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thank
your
you.
watching.
See you next time.